This is a Pride Mobility Quantum Edge 3. This is the latest in technology. This is the latest chair that Pride Mobility just came out a few months ago. It's the Quantum Edge 3. This power chair has the 12-inch seat lift and electric tilt. So again, 12-inch seat lift, electric tilt. This chair has 1 mile, so this chair is as new as you're going to get with 1 mile. It also has lights. It has headlights and tail lights, and it has all kinds of other features which we'll cover in a minute. So the first thing I want to show you on this power chair is how the seat lift works. So with this chair, your seat lift, you would have to go through the function. Right now we see it's indoor slow. By pushing this knob forward, now I'm an indoor moderate, outdoor fast. This is your display board. The next one is your seat. As you can see right there, that's on the tilt. So if I move this sideways, now I'm only on the seat lift. So now I'm going to move the joystick back, and you will see the seat lift going up 12 inches. You will start about 22 inches, and you'll be at 34 inches when you end up all the way up. And the nice thing about this, once you're elevated all the way up, you'll still be able to drive this chair at 3+ miles an hour. So this is, and you see how fast that went up too. So now I'm going to put it back on fast outdoors. I'm not going to be able to show you how fast the drive with the seat elevated in here, but you'll get an idea. Whoa. All right. So you can see how it goes 3 miles an hour plus. This is the seat elevated to 34 inches from, well, 12 inches. It starts at roughly 22 at the top of the seat. At 12 inches, you'll be at 34. You can see the base. It's got this beautiful burgundy color here. It also has it on the wheel. These are 14-inch non-skid wheels. You've got caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You've got the Quantum Edge anchor points, which are some of the best anchor points. They're tied to the frame. So that you have one here, you have one here, and you have 2 on the opposite side. So you have 4 anchor points to tie this chair to your lift or to your van. You have a motor for each wheel. If I wanted to push this chair right now, you can't, it's in gear. I would turn the power off, and these yellow levers here, if I push it down, it unlocks the wheel. So you would do both motors on both sides, push them down, you can roll your chair around. Now remember, this one here has electric seat lift and electric tilt. This chair weighs roughly 375 pounds. So 375 pounds, plus if you have a person in the chair, so it's going to be a little bit of a pushing. Put it back in gear, and you can see the wheels locked in gear again. Turn your power back on, and you have your power back on. You can see the armature here for the seat lift, how beautifully that's made. It's very solid. You have a real good solid base when you're sitting up that high. Also, if you look at the suspension, you can see the suspension in the front. You can see the heavy-duty suspension. You have 2 in the front on each side. You also have another suspension stabilizer. When the seat is elevated, you may not be able to see this in the camera. When the seat is elevated, this suspension comes up and holds this fork down so it doesn't have that play. As soon as the seat goes down, this suspension rod right here will move back. Just fantastic the way these chairs are. The back of the chair, you've got the same gold suspension here that we have in the front for the rear suspension. So the suspension on these chairs are just phenomenal. Just great, great, great suspension. I'll bring the chair back this way. We're going to bring the seat back down. Now this joystick is a swing away joystick, so you can swing the joystick away from the front. If you're left-handed, we can switch this to the left and bring the cup holder on this side. So that's your swing away. This is your seat all the way down. And now I just noticed the rod that I was telling you about that was here, and that has moved back. So now the next thing we're going to show you is the electric tilt. So the electric tilt is the bottom going back. And when you have a tilt, it brings the back also with it. So this is your electric tilt. Now the legs on this chair are manual, so you cannot have them go up and down. They're fixed where they're at now. The only thing you can do on these legs is extend the length depending how short, how tall you are, okay? So this is your electric tilt right there. It's a full electric tilt. I'm going to bring it back down. These arms also move out of the way. So if you need to transfer from the side, they'll move out of the way so you can transfer. Both arms can go up out of the way. So that's your tilt. So this chair does not have the electric recline, and it does not have the electric leg. Now if you want to adjust the back, you want to adjust the tilt on the back, you just have to take this cover off. There's 4 screws, 2 in the top, 2 in the bottom. Take this red cover off. There's a piston here that you push down and you bring the seat to whatever angle you want, and then you put your cover on, and that's the angle you keep. So if this is too straight, you want it back a little bit, just take this cover off just the first time and adjust the way you want it. That will adjust your tilt, your positioning for your back in here. Right now it's set up at about a 5%, so it's almost straight. Most people like to drive it a little bit more, but if you need to adjust it when you buy this chair, let us know, we'll adjust it, or you can do it through here, okay? This chair also has lights. There's a little button right here where my hand is. If I tap it, you can see the lights. Let me turn the light off. You can see the lights in the front, and you can see the lights on the wall. There when you drive, you'll see the wall. You can see the rear lights. So this chair is equipped with lights. So when you turn the lights on, all you have to do is just tap it right here. Then they're on the fender and they go off automatically. The seat on this chair is a very, very soft seat. So if you like a soft sofa seat, this is really, really nice. It's contoured on the outside. It's got a little hump in the middle here, so you keep your legs on the seat on each side like this. Very comfortable. The seat is 17 inches wide by 19 deep. 17 wide, 19 deep. So remember that. You have a safety belt. If you need this seat made bigger or smaller, we can help you with that. Just give us a call. We'll be able to adjust this seat if you need it enlarged or made smaller. In the back of the chair, you've got a headrest that's fully adjustable. With an Allen wrench, you can adjust any position you want. You can also take it off if you don't want it on there. It'll come right off. You can adjust the height, and you can adjust the positioning on the headrest. All that. The back of the chair, you can see where it says eye level, which means when you're up elevated 12 inches, you're almost eye level with someone. This is a 6-wheel power chair, so the turning radius is really good because your drive wheels are in the middle, so everything turns around the middle. If I go in a circle, you'll see what I'm talking about. It turns around its own axis. I can do this all day long. So if you're in a room, that's how much room you need to turn this chair completely around in a complete circle. Now there's 2 batteries in here. They're 55 amp batteries. When you replace the batteries in this chair, they come out from the front. There's 2 levers in front. You squeeze them together. The cover comes out. The red cover in front will come out, and they slide out from the front. So you have to have the legs up or the seat tilted to be able to get to the batteries. Any Q6 Edge power chair, the batteries come out from the front. If it's a Q6 Edge, Q6 Edge 2, Q6 Edge 3, Quantum Edge, they all come out from the front. When you charge this chair, you just take the charger that comes with your chair, plug it in the bottom. When the light goes from orange to green, you're fully charged. The charger will stop charging automatically, so you don't have to worry about overcharging your chair. You'll get about 13 to 15 miles on a battery charge. That varies for everybody. Depending on the weight of the user, if you're outside a lot or if you're going uphill, you'll get more or less distance depending where you're traveling. The foot plates do flip up, so when you get out of the chair, they flip up for easy exit. This chair also has guards to keep your feet on the foot plate. This guards your leg from popping out. So let's recap. We've got here a Quantum Edge 3, the latest power chair, latest technology from Prime Mobility. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, It has a swing away joystick, flip up arms to go out of the way. It has the seat belt. It has the guard for the legs, the anchor point, solid tires, 2 motors, fantastic chair, drain cup holder, adjustable headrest, and it comes with a charger. And it has less than 1 mile, so you'll probably have 1 mile when you get it. So this chair is practically brand new and it's ready to go. Alright, so the top speed on this chair was 6.1 miles an hour. So roughly 6 miles an hour, 6.1 miles an hour. Fantastic suspension, unbelievably smooth. And I've been dealing with these chairs for 24 years, going on 25. They're just, these chairs are fantastic. In the last 5 years, they've improved them quite a bit. In the grass, no problem at all. Suspension is perfect. A little bumpy over there, but that's my grass. As I said, this is the Qute Edge 3, one of the newest technology with a 12-inch seat lift and the electric tilt. If you're looking for a chair that's real easy to drive, real smooth, will drive in comfort, this will be a nice one.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.